Hello, I'm Teemu from DUSTMOVERS. In this episode we are going to paint E30 M3 replica, so let's get to work. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, it's right here. And now done. Now the paint has been drying for a week, so it's time to start the sanding. I already started from the other side and this is almost ready, pretty smooth, like it should be, because the final coat is so thin, so it won't hide any imperfections, so now it must be perfect. Now it's just sanding for another maybe 1, maybe 2 hours. So let's get to work.
A sense of threat that I can't forget. I wanna know who you are. This is what I need to know. So take my hand and let our fears go. Take me to your jungle where the rain is warm and the birds fly. Take me to your kingdom. Yeah, take me to the. Yeah, take me to the. Take me to your jungle where the rain is warm.
Starting the paint job is really close. We covered all the walls with this thin plastic film and also covered the floor with this brown thing, so the dust won't rise from the floor, and I hope the paint will be better. But now all has been covered and it's time to start spraying the paint. I'll get back to you when the car has been painted. The spray gun which we are using this time is GTI Pro Light. I've been using this only twice before this, so I know it's a great gun. And we bought these paints from Nettivary, and this time we will use PPG Deltron and the color is 308 BMW Brilliant Rot. So let's prepare the paint for the paint job and let's see how it goes. Now it's painted. The paint is half hour old, so it will smooth a bit when the time goes. But that's how it looks. There is some dirt and also the dust landed on the surface, so we must polish this. Bit wet sanding and then polishing to get the surface really nice. No runs, no dry spots, so I think it's really good. Now we must wait for tomorrow so we can remove all these plastic films and see how the car looks. So I'll get back to you tomorrow. The paint has been drying for almost 24 hours and here was like 40 Celsius degrees, so I think it's already dried. Now these holes are empty and it's time to insert new plugs there. This is the moment I've been waiting for so long. I can't even describe how this feels. But let's install the new plugs. Now it's just a bare shell. The feeling is really awesome with this. I even installed the rear lights just to see how it looks, and it's pretty dope. I like the most these original tail lights. I don't think the star text etc. are that cool than the original. We must wait a couple of weeks to get this wet sanded and polished. So after that it will be really perfect. It's not bad at the moment though, but it can always be better. I just love these box arches. They make the M3, but this isn't M3, but it looks like M3 because it's built with all original parts. So this box art is so cool. I can't wait to start working with my original M3. So that was DHY paint job. I hope the next body we are painting will be painted in our paint booth. I think it will be ready in 2021 summer. Can't know for sure, but I think it's ready then. So what do you think about this? Leave a comment. Is it dope or not? I got back to the garage. This weekend was so busy that I couldn't make a video, but now it's Christmas time, so I might have a few days to work with this car. And this is how the surface looks now after 1 week. But I must say that I tried to wet sand it, but I found out the coat was too thin and you could see the primer in there. So I needed to repaint it, and now the surface is really great without any sanding. 2 more layers and now it's pretty good. Now the body has been painted and the feeling is really awesome. I can't even describe how good this feels. After 1 year of body work, it's finally finished. And the shell is now ready. The next step is bolt new parts to the shell. So it's pretty awesome. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like if you liked. We will see you on the next episode. Bye!